What's going on YouTube? Back here with another video. No POV, but I think we finna get this car today. Well, not today, but we getting it today, but we ain't gonna be able to drive it today. They gotta do some repairs on it, whatever. But yeah, man, just a little preview of what's next to come. I told y'all I'm working on a new vehicle, and here it might go. You feel me? We finna give y'all a little rundown of nothing too crazy, just a little rundown of it. It is a 300 all-wheel drive, so it's got that V6 in it. It's not fully spec'd out, but peanut butter seats, as you see. Look good in here, crispy. But yeah, I ain't gonna have this too long. Just a little preview. It's gonna be like a week before I get to actually get in the car and show y'all. For real, cause like I'm not even in the state for real. But yeah, it's the car. What's going on YouTube? Back here with another POV. I just got the whip today. It's been a long ass day. And yeah, we doing a POV drive with bro. Oh shit. Got the bro with me. Doing a little POV drive, gang. Huh? I said I'm doing a little POV drive. For real? Yeah. No, I just started it. Fuck you wanna hit it right here? Huh? You wanna hit it right here? Alright, so it's like the next day. I finally got the car in some light so y'all can see it. And it's finally at the crib, bro. So it was just taking a little minute to get delivered, and they didn't even deliver it, so we just fucking picked it up. So yeah, man. It's the interior. It's a Lexus IS 300 all-wheel drive, so it's got the V6 in it, the 3.5. But yeah, man, finally got my stuff in here a little bit. Got it personalized a little bit. Can't speak, but it's the whip. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive later, or whenever I find the time to, because I've been trying to enjoy the vehicle. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just, I got a bunch of clips that I'm just gonna put in to make one full POV. And yeah, man, so might do one more POV drive that's like 8 minutes and add it all up together to all the clips of me getting this car. But yeah, this is my Lexus at 19. Here she is. First thing that I'm gonna do is tint. First thing. And I think I'm gonna do a POV drive getting tint or some shit. So that's what I'm gonna add into the POV. So yeah. It's the whip. See if I can get it in the sun a little bit. See, it's kind of dirty. I gotta clean her. But yeah. Alright, so we're finna conclude this video with the rest of the POV drive. But I have low-key been driving everywhere and burning gas, so we gotta get some gas first. Gots to get some gas first. Alright. Got the gas. four. You can't even see that, bro. Can't even see that. $4 and a cent. See how much it is. 32. I only got her to a half a tank, but that's better. Save me money. I'd rather keep it at a half a tank. There we go. There it goes. Alrighty. Got all that situated. Had to invest in a little cheap radar for a little till I get the money up, till I get the got a little cheap radar until I get the money up to get a Fonda. Bro, I can't even speak, bro. Find a new one, bro. Like, shit. I can't speak for shit. Oh. It's low key, like, late as hell. 4 in the morning. Just got off. Just got off work. And I was like, bro, I gotta finish this POV drive, bro. Or this video. It's been going on for like 2 to 3 weeks, bro. So, just had to finish this bit. Put that bitch in sports mode. We ain't gonna go too crazy. Because we're just not, but. They ain't got some get up. Now, I know this ain't the fastest car out there and all this and all that, but bro, I came from a fucking Ultima G. This shit is more than enough power, bro. Like, that's good, bro. Like, I ain't never had no paddle shifters. Can't even see because it's dark. But I ain't never had no paddle shifters before. This is like a major upgrade. Thank God for this blessing. But yeah, man. Just a little finisher, I guess you could say. Ain't done a little POV drive in a minute because I ain't had a whip to do one in for real, but you know. Shit. If y'all hear a wind noise, it's my sunroof. It's open and shit. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's gonna conclude the whole video as a whole, as well as this POV drive and the car reveal. And we should start doing more POVs and little shits. But yeah.